welcome to the channel. Here I am standing right next to my two babies, but today we are not talking about this, guys. We are talking about what is going to strap them. So come along. All right, guys, it's time for the product review. I don't do a lot of reviews unless they catch my eye, and as you guys know, I like quality products. So a company called Strapinno reached out to me, and I did a little research, and I like what I saw. Let's start with the little package. Their slogan is "Move safer and happier. The toughest ratchet straps ever." So let's see what we got. They told me to open the boxes as I'm doing the review, because I guess it's a surprise. I don't know what I got, because they make a ton of ratchets and straps and all kind of stuff. So I don't really know what I got. So let's start with the little one. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got a little baggie. It's actually pretty nice, a pretty nice package. Oh, we got a bag. Look at that. You can put your socks and underwears in there if you want to. Alright, so they are retractable. So you put it all the way over here, and they just, that is pretty cool. And then if you want to work with it, you can go just like that, hold it right there, lock it into place, and there it is. So this is how big this is. So what I would do is I would leave it just like this, and I put it just like this. Now, this trailer, the hook is all the way over here. So for me to put this same strap, I will have to put the hook somewhere like over here or over here, and then it will reach. Let's see if it reaches on this side. Put it like this. I guess we can put it just like this, and in here. Oh, look at that, that's perfect. So all we gotta do now, and it retracts itself. So now, a couple of clicks, and you are all done. I don't know what's in the other box, so I'm not making up my mind yet if I'm gonna use this one or I'm gonna use the one in there. I really like this one. The reason why I like this one is because it won't get salt water in it. So you can just take it off and put it in your car, put your jet ski on the salt water or fresh water, whatever, and it will never get wet. I like that idea. So you just go like this, and look at that, how easy. This is unbelievable. I'm really happy I'm doing this review. Yeah, I like it how just compact and there's no mess. This is a good product. Let's see what else we got in that little box. There's two of them. Here's the other one. Basically the same thing. And it comes with instructions. And of course, with the little bag. You can just put both of them in there, and you are done. Now, let's see what we got on the next box. All right, it looks like the same bag. I just want to see if it's bigger. Got a bigger box. Yeah, the same little baggie. It's actually a pretty good bag. I'll use this for something else. Oh, look at that. These are different. Aha. These are different. Oh, this is pretty cool. Now, there's 3 hooks. All right, so definitely this one is for a double trailer, but since I don't have a double trailer, I am getting one, and these are gonna go right on it. I'm gonna show you guys how I would do it. You hook right here. You hook the middle one. And it's just perfect. In my particular case, it's perfect. Doesn't hit the jet ski or anything. So you got 1-for-1 jet ski, and you repeat the process with the other jet ski. You hook it right here, go all the way around. So either way, you can use both of them. How I'm gonna do it, since I'm keeping this guy for my double trailer, is I'm doing it with the little ones. I'm gonna show you guys next. The way I'm gonna go with is this little guys. I think this will work better in my situation, which Strapinno has a whole bunch of these things that you can pick which one you want. Do the same thing. Go all the way out. Lock it into place. Let it retract itself, and you only gotta do just a couple of clicks and you're done. Now the other side, same thing. You go like that, take it all out, lock it, now you let it retract itself. Now, wasn't that easy? And it's nice and strapped, and this is the way I'm gonna go with a single trailer, and I highly recommend it. It's just enough, they're very small, you can put it in your car, they won't get wet with salt water, and it's perfect, which they look like they're gonna be just fine if you get them wet with salt water. Only time will tell. Now, it's a great product. And to take it off, you repeat the process. Go like that, stretch them, lock them into place, and to store them, look at this. And look how small they become. This little thing that will never get tangled. For my closing argument here, I love the product. I think it's a great product. Less work for you. Less work. With the other strap I have, they always get tangled. You always got to untangle. You don't have that problem here. And once I'm going to use the little ones, and look at this. I mean, this is just unbelievable. I like it. Now, how long are the stretch thing is going to last? We don't know. We'll see. They look very nice. I think back and forth, and they still work just fine. And I put it all the way out and just yank it out, and they just perfectly fine. So I think it's a good product overall. These are gonna go in my double trailer, and these are going with my race jet ski. Overall, I think it's a great product. Highly recommend it. I'm gonna start using it every day. And I'll see you guys on the next video.